Welcome to Vantage, Aditya. Today, we're exploring a simple yet powerful phrase that can transform relationships, boost workplace morale, and make you a more effective leader. Tell me more. In today's fast-paced world, we're all busy, often rushing from one task to the next, rarely stopping to truly connect with the people around us. But here's the thing, building meaningful relationships doesn't require grand gestures. Sometimes, it just takes a moment of genuine curiosity. What are bids for attention? So, let's start with an idea from psychologists John Gottman and Julie Schwartz Gottman. Bids for attention. Bids for attention are attempts to connect, whether verbal or nonverbal. It could be a colleague sharing a thought, a friend telling you about their day, or even a simple smile or gesture. When someone reaches out with a bid for attention, they're inviting us to connect. And when we respond with a "tell me more" attitude, we're not just acknowledging them. We're showing that we care, that we're genuinely interested in who they are and what they have to say. Imagine a coworker casually mentioning, "It's been a rough week." You could just nod and move on, or you could pause and say, "Tell me more about what's been going on." This small act of curiosity can have a profound impact, making them feel heard, valued, and understood. Why responding to bids for attention matters. Responding to these bids is important for a few reasons. First, it shows the other person that we value their thoughts and feelings. This is crucial for building trust and connection, which are the foundation of any strong relationship. Additionally, by showing interest, we're helping to prevent misunderstandings. Think about it. How many workplace conflicts arise from assumptions and misinterpretations? When we take the time to listen, we're less likely to misread someone's intentions, creating a smoother, more collaborative environment. Let's take an example from daily life. Imagine a team member seems distracted in meetings. Instead of jumping to conclusions, try responding with curiosity. "I noticed you seem a bit off. Is there anything on your mind?" This not only gives them space to share but shows them that you genuinely care. Often, the simple act of listening can be a relief, opening doors to meaningful conversations that otherwise might not happen. Creating a "tell me more" culture in the workplace. Building a "tell me more" culture in the workplace starts with us, especially as leaders. When leaders model curiosity, openness, and empathy, it sets the tone for everyone else to do the same. Imagine the impact of a team leader who, instead of issuing directives, takes the time to ask open-ended questions like, "What are your thoughts on this?" or "How do you think we can improve?" These questions empower employees to share ideas, fostering a more collaborative and inclusive culture. Encouraging a "tell me more" mindset can be as simple as making eye contact, pausing to listen without interruption, or even asking follow-up questions to show genuine interest. And don't forget about nonverbal bids too. A colleague might not say it outright, but their body language can speak volumes. Being attentive to these nonverbal cues and responding thoughtfully can go a long way in creating an environment where people feel seen and appreciated. The benefits of a "tell me more" culture. So, why invest in this culture shift? A "tell me more" approach has numerous benefits, both for individuals and for the organization as a whole. For one, it increases employee satisfaction. When people feel heard and valued, they're naturally more engaged and likely to stay with the company longer. This leads to higher retention and lower turnover, which is great for the bottom line. Think about it. Employees who feel connected and supported are also more collaborative and innovative. When team members trust each other, they're more open to sharing ideas, challenging each other constructively, and working together to solve problems. This is where real innovation happens, when people feel safe to speak up and contribute. It's no wonder that companies with open, communicative cultures like Google and Salesforce are known for both high employee satisfaction and continuous innovation. And finally, a "tell me more" culture can significantly reduce conflict. When people are encouraged to share openly, there's less room for misunderstandings and resentment. By promoting a culture of curiosity, we're creating a supportive environment where everyone feels they're on the same team, working towards the same goals. Practical steps to implement a "tell me more" culture. If you're ready to bring this powerful approach to your workplace, here are some practical steps to get started. Ask open-ended questions. Instead of yes or no questions, try asking open-ended ones that invite people to share more. For example, instead of asking, "Did you like the presentation?" ask, "What stood out to you in the presentation?" This approach encourages people to reflect and share meaningful insights. Listen actively. Listening actively means giving someone your full attention, putting away your phone, making eye contact, and nodding to show you're engaged. It's not just about hearing the words, it's about truly understanding the person's perspective. Encourage feedback and discussion. Create opportunities for open feedback and discussion, where team members feel comfortable sharing their thoughts. Whether it's through team meetings, feedback sessions, or informal check-ins, make it clear that everyone's input is valued. Model the behavior. As a leader, show by example. Use "tell me more" in your own conversations, both in and out of the workplace. When team members see you practicing curiosity and empathy, they'll be encouraged to do the same. Conclusion. The power of "tell me more." The ability to respond to bids for attention with a "tell me more" mindset is a valuable skill that can strengthen relationships, foster trust, and build a more supportive environment. By taking the time to connect with others and demonstrating genuine curiosity, we can transform our relationships, both personal and professional. So, next time someone reaches out, pause and say, "Tell me more." You might be surprised at the positive impact it can have. I challenge you to practice the art of "tell me more" today. Reach out to someone, whether it's a coworker, a friend, or a family member, and ask them a question about their life. You'll be amazed at how much you can learn, and how this simple phrase can strengthen your connection. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your peers, friends, and family. Let's continue #creating greatness together on Vantage Aditya.